Hello. Now that you have taken your screenshot, I'm going to show you how to upload it to your course, okay? To that exact assignment. So you're going to go into your course here, and this particular assignment falls under Let's Learn How to Take a Screenshot. So you're going to press that part. Here is the assignment, okay? So you're going to decide, I'm ready, let's submit this assignment. So you press Submit Assignment, and you'll notice that there's a lot of options up here for how you submit your assignment, and that's awesome because it really gives you a chance to submit an assignment from various places that you may enjoy working with compared to just kind of your computer. So you'll notice Google Drive is on here. It's kind of easy to use as well. So in my case, this file, the screenshot, if you recall, is found in your pictures folder. So you're going to choose a file. Once again, you're going to go over to pictures, find your screenshots, find the one that goes with this assignment, double click it. You'll notice it has popped up right here. And then you're going to submit the assignment. I would push this, except for this is not a real assignment for myself. It is for you, but it's not for me. So you push Submit Assignment, and then you are done. Thank you.